we're going to solve another problem of arithmetic. In this problem it says 3/5 of the women and half of the men of a group speak German while the others speak Spanish. If there are 60% as many men as women, what fraction of the group speaks Spanish? So since we're going to find the fraction, we can actually assume the number of people there. So let us assume that there are 100 women. So since there is 60% as many men as women, therefore we can assume that there's 60 men. So in this group, in total there are 160 people, of which some speak German and some speak Spanish. So we have to find out what fraction of the group speaks Spanish. So now it says that 3/5 of the women speak German. So 3/5 of 100 is equal to 60. So 60 women speak German, and therefore the rest speak Spanish. So the Spanish speaking person would be 100 minus 60 equal to 40. This is the number of women who speak Spanish. On the other hand, there are half of the men that is 60, that is 30 men speak German. Therefore Spanish speaking men is 60 minus 30 equal to 30. So including men and women, there are actually 70 people who speak Spanish. So in order to find the fraction of Spanish speaking people, it is 70 people who speak Spanish out of a total of 160 that we had counted here. So fraction wise, Spanish speaking people for this group would be 7 by 60.